Hey kids, today we learn alphabet. Let's start today's class. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. Hey kids, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. E for elephant. F for flag. G for grapes. H for hat. If you want to see these kind of more video, links are given in the description box. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for radish. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching kids. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. If you want to see these kind of more video, links are given in the description box.